Welcome to the only dedicated Zontes maintenance channel on YouTube. And before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on all the exciting upcoming videos. Share the channel with your mates on your socials to help grow the community, because the more riders we reach, the more people can look after their Zontes bikes properly. And remember, the channel homepage features every model in the Zontes range, so you can maintain your Zontes ride yourself with confidence. Thank you for taking the time to watch the videos and support the channel. All videos are also available in Spanish, German, Chinese, English, French, and Greek, so riders all around the world can follow along in their own language. And don't forget to click the little gear icon on the video player to change the spoken language to your own language so you can enjoy the content exactly the way you prefer. Today we're unboxing something seriously exciting, the brand new Zontes 703T. This is the next evolution of Zontes touring technology, and a bike many of you have been waiting to see up close. The 703T represents a big step forward for the brand, not just in power, but in refinement, comfort, and long-distance capability. So let's take our time, enjoy the unboxing, and explore everything this new machine brings to the table. As the box opens, you're greeted with that familiar Zontes presentation. Everything is clean, organized, and laid out with purpose. Right on top sits the documentation pack, containing the warranty card, the quick start guide, and the full user manual. Zontes always does a good job with their manuals, offering clear diagrams and multilingual support, which is great for riders across different countries. Underneath the paperwork, you'll find the accessories, the charging cable, the toolkit, and the mounting hardware, all neatly wrapped and protected. And of course, the latest generation keyless system fob is included, continuing Zontes' tradition of offering advanced tech as standard. Now comes the moment everyone waits for. As the protective wrap comes off, the Zontes 703T finally appears in full view. Straight away, the bike makes a strong impression. The lines are sharp, the stance is confident, and the overall design carries that futuristic Zontes identity that has become so recognizable. The new LED headlight cluster looks slimmer and brighter than previous models, giving the bike a modern, aggressive face. The updated frame geometry gives the bike a more muscular presence, and the redesigned engine casing hints at the power and engineering underneath. Even before you start it, the 703T looks like a machine built for long-distance comfort and real-world performance. Let's talk about the heart of the bike. The 703T is powered by a 699 cubic centimeters inline triple engine, a configuration that naturally delivers smoothness, balance, and a broad spread of power. It produces around 95 horsepower, giving it plenty of punch for touring, commuting, and spirited weekend rides. It remains accessible for A2 riders in restricted form, but unrestricted, it offers a lively and engaging ride. The bike features a full electronic throttle system, giving you precise control and smoother response. It also includes a new IMU package, which enables cornering ABS and smarter traction control, helping keep the bike stable and predictable even in challenging conditions. The quick shifter on this model operates on upshifts only, allowing you to accelerate smoothly without using the clutch. Cooling is handled by a liquid-cooled system, and the low-mounted exhaust helps keep the center of gravity balanced, improving stability during long rides. Overall, this is one of the most refined engines Zontes has ever produced. Moving on to the chassis, the 703T is built for the road. It features 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, giving you excellent grip and predictable handling in both dry and wet conditions. Michelin tires are known for their stability and long lifespan, making them a great match for a touring-focused machine. Braking is handled by Nissan calipers, offering strong, progressive stopping power. Combined with ABS controlled through the IMU, the braking system gives you confidence whether you're riding in the city, on twisty roads, or fully loaded on a long tour. The lightweight aluminium frame keeps the bike agile, and the dry weight sits at around 206 kilograms according to type approval filings. For a triple-cylinder touring bike, that's impressively manageable. Suspension comes from Marzocchi, giving the bike a premium feel and excellent control over bumps, potholes, and uneven surfaces. Whether you're riding solo or with luggage, the suspension setup helps keep the bike stable and comfortable. Electronics are an area where Zontes continues to push boundaries. The 703T includes cornering ABS, traction control, multiple riding modes, cruise control, a tire pressure monitoring system, and the latest keyless system. It also features front and rear cameras, giving you built-in dashcam functionality for added safety and convenience. These features are usually found on bikes costing significantly more, making the 703T a strong value proposition. The cockpit includes a full-color TFT display with clear graphics and intuitive menus. The windscreen is electrically adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune your wind protection on the move. Heated grips come as standard, which is a welcome addition for riders in colder climates or those who ride year-round. Ergonomically, the 703T is designed for comfort and accessibility. The seat height is a friendly 790 mm, making it approachable for a wide range of riders. The fuel tank holds a generous 20 liters, giving you excellent touring range before needing to stop for fuel. The overall weight remains impressively low for a triple-cylinder tourer, helping the bike feel manageable at low speeds and stable at higher speeds. The lighting system is fully LED, with Zontes' signature headlight design and integrated daytime running lights, ensuring excellent visibility both day and night. The mirrors, switchgear, and controls all feel solid and well designed, reflecting Zontes' ongoing improvements in build quality. From the moment you unbox it, the Zontes 703T feels like a bike ready to take on serious miles. It's packed with technology, built with care, and designed to give riders a premium touring experience without the premium price tag. Whether you're commuting, exploring new roads, or planning long adventures, the 703T offers a blend of comfort, performance, and practicality that makes it a compelling choice in the sport touring segment. Thank you again for watching and supporting the channel. Remember to check out the homepage for guides on every Zontes model, all available in multiple languages to support riders worldwide. Ride safe, look after your bike, and enjoy every mile on your Zontes.
I'm coming for the throne.